Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to chat in Roblox in the most recent update. So there has been a lot of issues going on where if your age isn't verified, you're not able to chat with anybody at all. And I'm basically just going to be explaining you what this update essentially was and how to fix that issue. So basically in this update, let's just say your age is verified as 13 years old. You are only able to talk to people that age group, you are not able to talk to anybody above 18 or above 21. So you're only able to talk to people in your age group or similar age as you. So my age group is 21 plus, and I believe that I'm only able to talk to people that are 18 or 21 plus. I don't think I'm able to talk to someone who will be like listed as 7 years old or 10 years old, etc. So that is essentially the update. But if you're not able to talk to anybody, what you need to do is you need to verify your age first and foremost. So you can go ahead and go over to settings. From settings, just make your way over to account settings, and then just from here scroll down until you see personal age group. It will most likely say not checked because that's obviously means you can't talk, but if it does say checked, you guys should be good to go. But if it says not checked, it's going to give you a few ways to verify your birthday / account, and I think one of them is just taking a picture of yourself, and then the other one is by verifying using an ID. You can use either or to verify your age, whatever you have listed as over here. As you can see, my birthday is not verified, but my age group is, because that wouldn't even make sense. If I was born in 2005, I wouldn't be 21 plus, but that's besides the point. Wait, actually, I think I would. Whatever, that doesn't really matter, but yeah. Anyways, you just need to verify your age group, and you can do that by either using an ID or you can take a picture of yourself as well. Now you can use either or, and then once that's essentially verified and then it says checked, that will basically, say that you are a certain age, whatever age you are. You can do that, and then you will be able to talk to people in that age group / age range, I guess. So that should pretty much be it. That is it for the video. That is how to chat in Roblox. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.